Hello friends, welcome to Class 5 community. In this video, we are going to discuss about the transport layer and the services. Transport layer protocol and various services provided. Basic what transport layer is, what exactly and what are the functionalities about transport layer. As we all know in TCP IP model, transport layer is the second layer from the top. And here is a diagram. In this diagram, there are many networks like mobile network, home network, and enterprise network. And here you can observe the stack, application layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. In this mobile network, we have laptop, car, base station, home network, they're all laptops, and the enterprise network with many desktops, laptops, and servers. All these networks are interconnected to a router through a router. Now, the person in this mobile network with his laptop wants to communicate with enterprise network. He just types hi and hi hello, and it is reached to the enterprise network, and this is how we know. But how internally is it works is the person in this mobile network use a messenger, and he get that message box. He type the message hi hello. The message box is nothing but now he is in the application layer. The text box which appears on the screen is a user interface which appears in application layer, and hi hello, the text is further transferred to a next layer, that is transport layer. Here the hi hello will be broken up into a multiple small segments. Now they are called as segments. Hi is one segment and LLO is another segment. Each segment should be handled carefully. All the segments that is received are transported to a next layer, network layer. The network layer converts the segment into packets and transfer that to a data link layer, and data link layer converts it into a frame and passes through a physical layer. Physical layer converts it into bits, and that bits are passed to a signal, and the message is reached to the destination. And this is how it internally work. Now let's see in how the transport layer works. A transport layer protocol provides logical communication between application process running on different hosts. Logical communication means end-to-end communication, a connection between the processes or an application that is running in sender system through a processes running in receiver system. On sender side, receives the message from application process, converts the message into segments, and pass the segments to the network layer. What happens on receiver side is receives the segment from the network layer, converts the segments into a message, and passes the message to the application process. The internet has two transport layer protocol. Two transport layer protocols are TCP and UDP. These are the two important protocols. UDP means User Datagram Protocol. UDP provides connection-less service to invoking application. Connection-less means is data communicated between the two nodes where the sender sends data without ensuring whether the receiver is available to receive the data. Means the sender sends the data, is not sure whether the receiver is available to receive the data or not. And UDP can be used when the processor needs to send small message without any issue of reliability. And UDP is a good protocol for data flowing in one direction. And UDP provides two services: process to process data delivery. Process to process data delivery is nothing but host to host and error checking. Now let's move to TCP. TCP means Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol provides connection oriented services to the invoking application. Means connection oriented services means the data streams or packets are delivered to the receiver in the same order in which they have been sent by sender. Means without any interruption or without any loss of data, the data which is sent by the sender is sent to the receiver. And TCP provides three services: reliable data, and TCP handles the data with a very securely, and the data is sent to the receiver without any interruption of data or without causing any loss of data. The data is sent to the receiver. It guarantees the data will arrive to the destination process correctly. And the one more service is congestion control and flow control. We'll be discussing about this later. Error checking. Error checking means every segment contains a checksum field which is used to find the corrupted segment. If the segment is corrupted, it is discarded by the destination TCP and is considered as lost. Thank you.